Hey everyone, this is GuideH. If you travel around Seoul, there's one place you'll probably pass by at least once, Cheonggyecheon Stream. Cheonggyecheon starts near Gwanghwamun in Jeongno-gu and flows about 10.9 kilometers all the way to the Han River in Songdong-gu. It's pretty amazing to see clear water flowing right through the middle of such a busy city, isn't it? There are nice walking paths all along the stream. So it's one of the best spots in the city for a stroll or just a little break. Especially in spring, summer and fall, you'll see lots of festivals and events happening around here. On hot summer days, many people cool off by dipping their feet in the water. Even just sitting for a while with your feet in the stream makes you feel refreshed instantly. And if you look closely, you can even spot a few little fish swimming around. But have you ever wondered, where does all this water actually come from? In the past, Cheonggyecheon was a natural stream. The water originally came from rain and springs flowing down from Mount Bugak and Mount Inwang. It was once considered the lifeline of Seoul, a natural waterway running right through the city toward the Han River. But during the 1950s and 60s, when Seoul started industrializing fast, the stream became heavily polluted with trash and sewage. People who lived nearby said the smell was so bad they couldn't even open their windows. Eventually, in 1958, the city covered the stream and later built the Cheonggye elevated highway right on top of it. Back then it was seen as a symbol of modernization, but in reality the stream disappeared, leaving only a dark space beneath the road. Then in 2003, Seoul decided to bring nature back to the city and started the Cheonggyecheon Restoration Project. After 2 years of massive construction, the new Cheonggyecheon finally reopened in October 2005. It wasn't just a cleanup project, it was a symbolic effort to reconnect the city, people and nature. But the current Cheonggyecheon isn't a natural stream anymore. The water is artificially supplied every day, about 120,000 tons of water. It comes from the Han River and from water recycling centers in Jungnam and Tancheon. That water is pumped up to the upper part of the stream near Gwanghwamun and then flows downstream naturally to Songdong-gu, creating the Cheonggyecheon we see today. Thanks to these pumps and control systems, the stream keeps a steady flow all year round, whether it's raining or dry. It's man-made but carefully designed to look and feel like a natural stream. So today, Cheonggyecheon has completely transformed from a dirty, smelly stream of the past into a beautiful mix of nature and art right in the city center. At night, the lights make it even more romantic. It's the perfect place to slow down and take a breath in the middle of busy Seoul. Today we learned where the water in Cheonggyecheon comes from and also what this place used to be like in the past. Next time you walk along this stream, remember that it's not just an artificial waterway, it's a living part of Seoul's history and transformation. This has been GuideH, and I'll be back soon with another hidden story from Seoul. See you next time. Bye.